In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text on Capcut. If you're diving into video editing and want to add that professional touch to your project with perfectly aligned text, then you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you want to open Capcut on your device. Once you have the app up and running, you'll need to import your video. This is the foundation of our work, so make sure you select the right video file as we'll be adding text directly onto it. You can do this by tapping the import button, which will allow you to choose a video from your gallery. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to add some text. To do this, tap on the text option located at the bottom of your screen. This will open up a menu that gives you the option to add text. When you tap on add text, you'll notice a text box appearing on your video, ready for you to input whatever message you'd like to share. Now it's time to enter your desired text in the text box that appears on your screen. Depending on your project, this could be a title, a quote, or any information you want to include in your video. Simply type in your text and then you can move on to customizing its appearance. Next, navigate over to the Style tab. This is where all the magic happens regarding the look and feel of your text. It's packed with options to make your text stand out, so feel free to explore and try different styles, but for now we are focusing on text justification. To align your text correctly, you need to scroll through the Style tab until you find the option labeled spacing. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Take your time and scroll through the options until you come across it. This section is key for adjusting the alignment of your text within the video frame. Within the spacing option, you'll have the ability to choose the alignment that best suits your project, left, center, or right. If you're unsure which alignment works best, try clicking through each to see how it looks on your video. Centered alignment is typically used for titles or emphasis, while left or right might be better for more detailed text blocks. And there you have it. Your text is now perfectly aligned on your video. That wasn't too hard, was it? Now all that's left is to preview your video to ensure everything looks the way you envisioned. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and save or export your finished product. Congratulations on making your video look sharp and professional with justified text. Keep experimenting with different styles and alignments to see what works best for your projects. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy editing.